part of this challenge, so if everybody would please look up here for a minute, stop looking at your screens, is I want you to create heights for the extrusion of those circles, okay, that are on the grid that are automatically sized to touch each other at the corners. Okay, I want you guys to create a different height for all of those different circles. So when you're done with it, so create so I want you guys to create a height extrusion that is different and variable for each of the circles. Okay? So you're going to have to do a little bit of work to calculate how many circles there are. So that'll tell you how many values you need. Okay? But it's going to produce a tree. And so you guys have already gone through this process last week, right? Figuring out how to get a tree to work sequentially rather than as a series of lists. So when you're done, you should end up with something that does that, where no two values are the same. Okay? When we scroll around on this one, they're all different. Okay? The range for the heights, okay, will be between 1 and 30. Okay? So between 1 and 30. That's how the shortest ones are going to be 1, and the tallest ones are going to be 30, and they're all going to be different. I'll give you a hint right now, right? You drop a lot of panels and see how many values you're getting out of different things to know what needs to happen. Also, when you make this thing, I want you to make it to where it automatically figures out the number of values that it needs if there are less cells. So as you can see, when I reduce the cell count on this thing, right, I'm still getting every one different. I'm not getting any repeating values. Every single one is different. Okay? All right. So that is the end of this challenge. After this, we're going to be studying where the value of pi came from.